Our summer workshops are finally here, so please join us as we travel into tech. Find out all the info right here. I'm Jordan R., and this is your weekly upgrade. The summer is upon us, and we thought it would be ideal to virtually travel with us as we spend some time with you with some amazing summer workshops. They begin on July 5th and run until August 18th, happening on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. They will be 1 hour in length with some much needed Q&A time built in to ask anything you wish, such as, can you show me that again? Is there gonna be snacks? Can you hear me now?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
We also have so much to choose from. Just go to our Modern Learning website. When you select the Summer Workshop logo, you'll see all your options. Here's our list of our workshops. Your top Google extensions and add-ons, tips and tricks for organizing in Google Drive and Gmail, Google Forms, Google Sheets Basics with Forms, Google Sheets Advanced with formulas and graphs, a Google Classroom workshop, 3 different VLE workshops from entry-level basics, building your classroom and portfolio, and lastly, 3 creative tools workshops from recording and exporting your content, editing your audio and video, and how to best produce your video content. Just click your choice or choices, fill out the Google form, and during the week of your chosen workshop, we'll send you an email reminder and a Meet link to join in our adventure.
Adventure is out there!
I think it's going to be an amazing summer filled with so much for you to get your hands on that you'll be super ready for the school year ahead, which conveniently resumes on Tuesday, September 6th at 8 a.m. Don't forget to pack a lunch. Well, that's it for today's weekly upgrade. Now go out there, high five a friend, say hello to someone you know, and maybe even someone you don't know. Either way, have an awesome day.